accident. I've heard stories, but I mean, how is it done? How is it done that you accidentally drive in?
We did it in Paris.
That was the airport.
Yeah. We completely missed customs. Walked right out of the building and said, well, where's customs? We want to get... Does this mean just go? Is this U.S. or...
Yeah, this is actually the U.S. Border Patrol.
There.
I've seen them there,
Yeah?
but usually never there. That's the U.S. side still. I don't know where it is. Mexico. This is big.
Holy mackerel.
I'm gonna go
It's like hard to pick a spot.
the center one.
And this guy went for that one.
This outside lane is worse.
Why is that?
Because they bottleneck everything in at the end. I mean, they're not wrong. This needs to be fixed. It's really stupid.
So we haven't even got to Mexico yet.
No, we're here now.
Oh, was that Mexico?
Right up here. Avoid all of the... There is one more toll booth this way, but...
Gracias.
And then when I saw it, I was like, oh, good money. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the worst part of Tijuana.
Yeah.
The absolute worst.
Hard life. You like running. You like the sound.
This is the toll road we're taking, right? The what do they call it? Quota? Quota? Quota. And the other one's...
It might have the first toll booth open where you don't have to pay. That's a recent development, and I've heard people tell me that it was a complaint of the you have to pay.
Yeah. All you'd have to show is like your
face.
well, your
Yeah.
well, no, your Mexican driver's license or something. You know. Where that line is right there, it comes over here, way down here. That's the fence.
Yeah.
The fence, because it curves that much, or it seems to. Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
Yeah, I think this is where I saw looking that way.
You can't trust those American.
And you guys probably went right by it.
Yeah, the old road went right over by that pole ring. But this one goes and bypasses Rosarito.
Well, it's around, like right next to Rosarito, but you don't have to through it. Yeah, going through Rosarito on a weekend,
25 miles, yeah.
it's a lot.
Welcome to the Scenic Highway. We're going on the Scenic Highway, and I always have loved this highway, though. It's beautiful. Yeah, I think those are the Coronado Islands or something, but I thought they actually are U.S. Oh, look at everybody on the beach. A hot spot, huh? Beach goer.
Oh, looks like they might actually be done.
I swore I saw it up there. I never did talk to Darren about their experience coming in here. Yeah. Oh, look at this. I mean, this is like cool, right?
It's like it's all open.
Completely open. Well, I just meant
There's nobody out there to sue the government.
that's
Construction company.
that's a Disney cruise ship.
The other set of people.
Oh, it's all steam.
Raise the base.
It's cabezas. It is 3 heads.
3 heads, yeah.
But look at all the stands right where the ships come in.
Ramen. Man, that's pretty good anyway.
One of a kind. One of a kind. Yeah. Fritera la bufadora.
It's like some things have changed in the last 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Baja fishing. You'd think there'd be fish in this backwater here.
There is. People go out on that road, like that truck out there, and they fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it, right?
Thinking I should build my own and live out there.
Yeah.
Rent free.
Yeah. Oh, we're coming up on pavement. Ya casi la gas. Ah, but where it's a lot of smoke. Does he recognize you? Yeah.
Hey, Brandy.
Yeah.
What'd you call him?
Brandy.
Brandy.
That's his name. Speak to you.
Is that Kim's store?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, and their daughter runs it. They're kind of winding it down.
Are they?
Yeah.
She's wanting to call it quits.
She wants to move it. Really.
Like to where?
Out by La Busadora is what she would prefer. I said, well, there's an Oxxo out there. You're gonna have to compete with them. There's 2 big guns. Always working on his truck. He got his truck stuck way up on the point.
Yeah. Yeah, same old place. Here we be. Where's that dog?
And dogs in
What you doing, dog? Look at that. Woof, woof.